back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. As you read from my title, today I will be doing eyelid swatches just like that girl Shay. Really enjoy seeing her eyeshadow swatches and how she applies them on her eyelid because it gives you a more truer representation on how they're gonna work and apply on you versus an arm swatch. I don't like arm swatches. I don't think they're ever accurate. So today I will be doing the eyelid swatches for the Up in the Stars bundle only. I did get the full collection, but I'm gonna save the eyeshadow palettes for another video. This way I don't have an overly long video for you guys. So if that interests you, make sure you keep on watching. But before I go any further, if you're not part of the Perky family, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. Right now I'm doing uploads 3 times a week and sometimes a few little extra bonus videos depending on what products arrive to my home basically. And you definitely want to make sure you stay tuned for all my future content. But anyways, let's get to it and let's begin the unboxing slash swatches. So as you notice today, instead of having like a ton of makeup or any makeup pretty much, I decided just to keep it all natural. It's only my skincare. I did do my brows and I applied just a little bit of mascara so I don't look too naked. And here's my bare face, you guys. No product, no nothing. I only have my skincare on at this time. Did purchase the Hank and Henry Beauty PR bundle, and this is the cute little card we were sent. It's so cute. It's called the Stars and Shadow PR bundle, and on the back it did have a personalized card which was signed by Henry. It says, "Hello my loves, I had so much fun creating our Stars and Shadow collection. I know you're going to love it. Your continued support drives me to work harder every day. Love, Henry." And Henry has been on live showing us how to use the product, so I'm really excited to get into this. And they always do a beautiful job packaging our PR packages again, and I think it's a great deal overall. Like, I think I bought my entire bundle, which again, it included 3 eyeshadow palettes, 7 of the luster creams. Oh, how nice. I had not taken a peek whatsoever. I wanted to be able to show you guys a better view of the packaging. It's very nice. It's very graphic. It kind of looks like a stars package. Like, it looks like stars. So I'm going to pull all 7 So here are all 7 of the luster liquids. And what's funny, I did not realize that each package would have a slightly different color. You can see that right here. I think that's actually really cool. Really excited, you guys, to see how these apply. And it's supposed to be a Longwear comfortable formula. So let me put these down. This first shade right here is called Milky Way. And look at that. That's gorgeous. That girl Shay, she normally does just one eye at a time. In my case, I'm gonna just do both eyes. It speeds up the process. So I'm gonna start off with Milky Way. And again, it's a nice little jar. It's very jelly texture. Ooh, it's very cooling. So as you can see, I started off by patting it onto my eyelid, but it wasn't giving me the full impact I knew it could do. So then I started gliding it, and oh, it was just so beautiful. And you could definitely see more opacity to it. So I can't honestly wait to be able to use these over my lid. Now the second shade, this is the Nova, which is a gorgeous gold tone. I've never been one for golds typically, but this was just so beautiful, and it gave it just this really nice warmth to it. And I kept on saying glitter, and it's not glitter. This is considered a micro pearl because it's not that chunky material. And I wanted to show you guys how both of the colors look on my lids, and you could see that beautiful reflect. So the third shade is Helix. This is such a gorgeous silver with white pearl, and it gives you again this very beautiful, very like interstellar vibe, and I really loved it. And you could definitely see again the reflex going through every time it shifts. Now the purple shade was Nebula, and it's that purplish pink kind of hue. And what's nice, these can be buffed out and blended while they're still wet. So this shade, I believe it's pronounced Andromeda. I'm gonna put it on the screen, you guys, but it's kind of like an orangey coral tone. It's more on the orange with the soft pink undertone. So next is Stardust, which is a little bit softer tone, and you can still see again what a beautiful shade it is. It has again that little bit of a orangey pink with white flake in it, or the pearl I should say. Next is Celestial, and again this looks more of that pinkish kind of tone, but again it's just very nice, very soft. It just has a little bit of a different shift. These are not chunky because again it's a very high grade micro pearl, which just glides on top. It won't budge, it won't feel hard on your lid. It's very comfortable, and it's not going to be flaking throughout the day either, you guys. You definitely want to be checking them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the eyelid swatching video. I definitely was right on not wearing makeup because I literally like it got all over the place. Like, oh my god, like yeah, I still have glitter everywhere on my face. Or I don't like using wipes to remove makeup, and I have my magic eraser, but if you're still removing a glitter pick base, basically it's, you know, it's just gonna start swirling around at some point. But these luster liquids are so gorgeous. The payoff is amazing. I cannot wait to use them with an eyeshadow look, so I will definitely be doing that in hopefully my next video, where I'm also going to be swatching the eyeshadow palette. I have to give major kudos to that girl Shay and anyone that does eyelid swatches, because that takes a lot of time, and it definitely, you know, it takes a lot out of your eyes. And I didn't put no eyeshadow base because I wanted to make sure and show you guys exactly how the payoff would be. Now I do apologize for the lighting. It keeps on switching, so now I can see there's a shadowing right here. But a little bit of information on these luster liquids. Again, it's kind of like a jelly material, as you guys saw, and they retail for $17 a piece, or you can purchase the bundle of 7 for $69. And from the looks of it, they've also added the PR bundles, which included the 3 new eyeshadow palettes and the 7 luster liquids, and that's $97, you guys. And the palettes typically retail for, I think it was $23, $24. I already forgot, because again, I purchased the bundle, so for me, it was a lot more affordable. And Hank and Henry Beauty does have an incredible rewards program, which I will have it linked down below. If you sign up to their email list, they will automatically email you a $5 off coupon for your purchase. I don't make any commission or nothing like that. They do, like, for anyone that gets referred for my link, for example, that I will get also a $5 off future purchase as well, which is really cool. But again, I don't make any commission. It's not like cash coming to me. I can only use that $5, for example, on a purchase through Hank and Henry Beauty, which, you know, it's not going to go to waste. So it's cool to me either way, because Henry's about to launch more stuff. Yeah, so if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, again, I highly recommend you subscribing to their email list. This way you're given a $5 off discount off your purchase price. And if you choose to just buy individually because you don't want to buy the entire bundle, you can use the code TheNightOwls, and that will give you 20% off your entire purchase. Again, as long as it's not like bundle prices. or there's a lot of other influencers who do have discount codes, and you can get one of theirs as well, like Beauty by Bianca, Candy Lover 89. One last thing before I head out. So if you haven't seen my BoxyCharm base box unboxing and / the beauty bash, you might have missed the fact several of the Hank & Henry beauty products will be featured in the sale. The cream blush with the highlighters are gonna be on sale for like $9. I also just saw that the cream blush here, because I don't have the cream, the duos, I don't have that one, so I'm gonna buy those. But these cream blush sticks are also going to be featured. I would assume so, because it's been featured in previous sales. They're also going to have the eyeshadow palettes. I would assume so again. But yeah, so if you're a charmer, I highly recommend to check out that sale as well. Again, I don't think they would have the new launch, but they're going to have several of the older launches. And if you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, I do have a link down below if you guys would like to join. But anyways, thank you guys all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I would love if you guys again would join the Perky family. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember it's that button down below. So thank you guys all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Be safe out there, take care, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.